Hello students, welcome back to the series, and in this series we are discussing about the NEET 2021 question paper. Until here we have done the 30 questions of the chemistry, that is starting from 51 till 80. And now we are going to do the question number 81. Till now if I analyze the NEET paper, in that case we can see that the most of the questions are basically your statement type, whether the statement are true or false, and for that our concept should be very clear. So these videos are not helping just to check your answers. This is also helping you to prepare for the next year examination, that is 2023 or 2024 examination. So you can understand the concept in a shorter way and how the different type of questions they can ask you in the paper. Now let's see the question number 81. So in the question number 81, what do we have here? It's again a statement type question. Now in the question, what they are given you, they have given you the two different statements here. The first is the boiling point of aldehyde and ketone are higher than hydrocarbons of comparable molecular masses because of weak molecular association in aldehyde and ketone due to dipole-dipole interaction. That is true. We'll see how. The second statement, what they are saying, the boiling point of aldehyde and ketone are lower than the alcohol of similar molecular masses due to absence of hydrogen bonding. That is also true. So technically our answer is the second statement, where both A and B statement are true here. Now let's see how here. In the first case, they are comparing aldehyde and ketone with the hydrocarbon. So let's compare their first group. So we have aldehyde here. We can take R, C double bond O, H here. Similarly, I can take a group for ketone, that will be ROR. And let's take the normal R hydrogen. Now see here. In this case, what happens? Because O is more electronegative, due to which it will generate a partial negative charge on itself, because it will attract the electron, the bond paired electron towards itself. And similarly, to balance the charge, a partial positive charge is created on the carbon. And the same thing happens in the aldehyde. Partial negative charge on the carbon because of more electronegativity, and partial positive charge on the partial negative charge on oxygen due to more electronegativity, and partial positive charge on carbon due to less electronegativity. Now in this case, if you'll see here, the dipole-dipole interaction between the electronegativity of carbon and hydrogen is not that much. So in that case, the dipole-dipole interaction is very low. Now here what will happen? Here, if I take another molecule of ketone or aldehyde, let's say, it would be like this. Similarly, it will be having the delta negative charge and it will be having the delta positive charge. Now, what happens if they have opposite charge? They attract each other. So there will be a weak dipole-dipole interaction which occurs. And due to this dipole-dipole interaction, they are slightly closer to each other, and due to which their boiling point is slightly higher than their respective hydrocarbons. Is it understood? Now, in the case of second one, they are comparing for the aldehyde ketone with the alcohol. Now, there is a different case in the alcohol. In the aldehyde and ketone, if I'll see, let's just draw this diagram. So technically in the aldehyde and ketone, it's a dipole like this, where it is a negative charge on oxygen and slightly positive charge on the carbon. And they are attracted towards the second group like this, with slightly positive charge here and slightly negative charge here. And there is just dipole-dipole interaction. Dipole-dipole interaction. This is for the carbonyl group. Now for the alcohols, what do we have here? We have RCOH group. Similarly, there might be any X here. Let's say H and H here. And there is another group like this, which will be having the same part like this. That is RCO H here. Now understand, oxygen is more electronegative than carbon and then hydrogen as well. So due to which there will be a slightly negative charge on oxygen and slightly positive charge on hydrogens. Now this oxygen which is present here will try to form a bond with the hydrogen here, and this bonding is called hydrogen bonding. And it is slightly stronger, not slightly, it is very much stronger than dipole-dipole interaction. So due to which the boiling point of the respective alcohol is more than the aldehyde or the carbonyl group. So therefore the second statement is also true. So first, because of dipole-dipole interaction, and second, because of the hydrogen bonding, alcohol has more boiling point and ketones have more boiling point than hydrocarbons. I hope you are able to understand this concept, and thank you for watching till the end.